Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the future of automobiles that have shaped everyday life. In today's video, we take a detailed look at the 2026 Suzuki Maruti Omni van, a legendary name that returns with a modern vision. Known for its practicality, affordability, and versatility, the Omni has been reimagined to meet today's safety, efficiency, and comfort expectations while retaining its original spirit. The 2026 Suzuki Maruti Omni van carries forward its familiar boxy silhouette, but with a refreshed and more contemporary appearance. The front profile now features a redesigned grille, sharper headlamps with LED daytime running lights, and a more aerodynamic bumper. Clean body lines and updated wheel designs give the van a modern stance, while its compact proportions continue to make it ideal for crowded urban streets and narrow lanes. Under the hood, the 2026 Omni is expected to come with a refined petrol engine, tuned for better fuel efficiency and smoother performance. Suzuki may also introduce a factory-fitted CNG option, keeping running costs low for families and commercial users. The engine is paired with an improved manual transmission that offers easy gear shifts, making daily driving stress-free even in heavy traffic conditions. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Suzuki Maruti Omni focuses on space and usability. The dashboard layout is cleaner and more ergonomic, with a digital instrument cluster and improved air conditioning performance. Seating has been redesigned for better comfort, and flexible seat configurations allow the van to be used for passengers, cargo, or mixed purposes. Durable materials ensure long-term reliability for both personal and commercial use. Safety has been a major focus in the 2026 update. The new Omni is expected to include dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and improved body structure for better crash protection. Basic infotainment features such as Bluetooth connectivity, USB charging ports, and smartphone integration add modern convenience without increasing complexity. The 2026 Suzuki Maruti Omni van is likely to be positioned as an affordable and practical vehicle, making it attractive to small business owners, fleet operators, and large families. With competitive pricing and low maintenance costs, it aims to reclaim its position as one of the most value-for-money vans in its segment. The 2026 Suzuki Maruti Omni van blends nostalgia with modern upgrades, offering practicality, efficiency, and reliability in a refreshed package. Whether for daily family use or commercial needs, the new Omni continues to stand as a symbol of simple and dependable transportation. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more updates on upcoming vehicles and automotive trends.